Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we will be discussing the homonyms of the word look and its usage with examples. The homonyms of the word look are as follows: takes care of, despises, search for, expecting with pleasure, investigate, regard, rely on, rising, improving, be careful about, respect, and finally, will reject. These are the 12 different homonyms of the word look. Now, we shall see the usage of these homonyms one by one. The first homonym for discussion is takes care of. When you are in a situation to express how one takes care of someone, we can use the word look to express this. Let's have a look at the example. Every mother looks after her child with lots of love. Here, we are explaining how a mother takes care of her child. The second homonym of the word look is despise. Despise means to regard with contempt or to feel disgust. Let's see how to use this in a sentence. We must not look down upon anyone. This sentence means that we shouldn't show disgust to others. The third homonym of the word look is to search for. Let us now see how to use this homonym in a sentence. Sylvie was looking for her house key in her bag. It means that Sylvie was searching for her house key in her bag. The fourth homonym of the word look is to expect with pleasure. Let's have a glance at the example. The kids were looking forward for their turn. Here, the kids were actually waiting for their turn eagerly and they weren't bored of waiting. Instead, they were waiting with lots of joy and happiness. The fifth homonym of the word look is to investigate. Let's go through the example for its usage. The police had arrived to the crime spot immediately to look for the traces of the thief. Here, look for means to investigate. The sixth homonym of the word look is regard. Let's have a look at the example now. Eve looks on her dog as her kid. In this example, you can see that Eve regards her dog as her daughter. The seventh homonym of the word look is rely on. Let's skim through the example. The villagers look on to the well for water. Here, you can understand that the villagers are dependent, that is, they rely on the well for water. The eighth homonym of the word look is rising. We will now see how to use it in a sentence. The price of petrol is looking up every day. That is, the price of the petrol is rising or increasing every day. The ninth homonym of the word look is improving. Let's have a look at the example. China started looking up faster after the earthquake, which means China started to improve faster after the destruction caused by the earthquake. The tenth homonym of the word look is to be careful about something. Let's see how to use the word look in this context. Parents must always look to their children's table manners while eating. This means that the parents must be careful about how their children behave when they are in the dining table. The 11th homonym of the word look is respect. Let's have a look at the example to see the usage. All citizens must look up to their national flag, which means that every citizen must give respect to their national flag. The 12th homonym of the word look is will reject. Let's have an example to illustrate this. They will not look at a person if he holds all the skill set he requires for an interview. Here, the word look is used in the context of rejecting. The example says that if a person holds all the skill set required for the job, then the company will not reject him. Hope our video was interesting and you had a good collection of homonyms being presented in this video. If our video was informative, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for future videos. Click on the bell button to get notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning!